Hello world, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CLC Clean Crochet. So guys, I'm going to use this yarn for my work. It's a super silver yarn and I'm going to use a 5.0 mm hook, okay, for this project. You can use a smaller hook for it, okay. So first of all, you make your chain, and your chain should be the measurement of your hip. Okay, so you make your chain as long as you want it, put it around your hip, and if it's okay, then you are done. All right, so next of all, we are not going to make a cycle of it, but we are just going to work both panels together. So yeah, so when you make it a cycle, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get the front panel and the back panel, but we are going to work it just in both together without making a circle. So you put your stitch marker at the end like this, okay, so that you know where you are starting and where you are ending. Okay, so the back panel is the one facing us and the front panel is the one over there. Where the yarn is, where you are going to start yarning, will be the back panel. Yeah, so we're going to, so simple, we're going to start from the back panel before we get to the front panel over here. All right guys, so let's continue with the next step. So you check you from the front panel, you put another stitch marker over the different color so that you know. You put it, you divide the work into the front panel, you divide it into 3, then you take one of it, so at the end of the one, that's where you put your other marker over there. Okay, so the main aim is to work single crochet throughout. Then when we get to the yellow stitch marker, we start with the scrapers, or we start with the colors to make the design. Okay, so all this part is the back, to this part will be black. Yeah, then we continue with the other color. So we are making it this way because we want to we don't want to use more of the yarn, or we want to avoid cutting of the yarn and joining and all those headache. All right, so next you make your single crochet in each of the stitch holes that you have. So you pull your yarn through like this, making single crochets. So you're making single crochet throughout till you get to the yellow stitch marker, where we are going to start changing our colors. So always remember to divide the front panel into 3, then just take one of them. So at the end of the one, that's where you put your other stitch marker there, which is the yellow one, or any color of your choice. Now I'm going to change the color to this color, red. Okay, so we are already starting our scrapers. So by now you know how to change colors. If not, check out the other videos, you know how to change the colors. So what you do is you can also just join them by just joining the red to the black, and yeah, good. And always make sure that your excess yarn is always at the back of your work. Okay, so this one, so you continue with your single crochet till you get to the end of your work. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell, give me a like, and check out the other videos as well. All right, so guys, this is our single crochets. So the reason why we divided the front panel into 3 and we just took 1/3 of it and put the stitch marker there is because we want to work the scrapers. We don't want to work scrapers all in front of us. We just want to leave some of the black there. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, so we are going to, so where the yellow stitch marker, that will be the maximum of our scrapers. Okay, how tall our scrapers are going to be. So next of all, you make a double crochet of the same color red. So all the red is going to go that side of our work, then all the black is going to go the other side of the work. Okay, so when you're done, you join it and you get a nice. All right, so we are going to do our double crochet till we get to where the stitch marker is, and the main aim is just be creative. Anywhere you want to end your red color, anytime you get to the red color, just don't end exactly on the stitch markers that you have there. Just be creative. But make sure that your maximum always end at where the yellow color is. Okay, so with this row, I'm making the double crochet up to where the yellow stitch marker is. Okay, so I'm changing the color to black. Okay, then I'm going to finish with the black and come back with the black again until where I get to where the yellow stitch marker is. Then I'll decide how many blacks I'll add to it. Okay, so make it. All right, so you chain one and you turn your work and you come back with your double crochets. Okay, to maybe we end over. Let's finish with that. You can use any stitches for this work or this project, but it's more easier to work with a double crochet or half double crochet. All right, so we're almost through with the black. Yeah, so we are not going to end exactly on it, so we continue with the black a little bit. That's why I said you just have to be creative. So I think I'm okay over here. So I'll change the color. So changing of the color, you yarn through two, then you pull the new color through like this. Okay, so I've changed the color to red. Okay, so that's why I said you just have to be creative. You don't really need a specific place where you have to end your black or start your red, and yeah, so it all depends on you. That's why it is scrapers. Okay, so some places must be taller, some must be shorter, depending on you. Okay, so you don't really, you just have to be creative. That's it. So but always be sure that your maximum ends at where the yellow stitch marker is. Okay, you cannot go beyond it, all because we want some of the our main color, which is the black, to also appear from the front. So this part I just only did red of it, and make sure that your excess yarn is always pulled to the negative part, which is the back part of your work. Make sure it's always there, so that at the end of your work you only get one side being negative, so that the part which is nicer will be your front part of your work. Okay, so I'm starting with the black and going through. And if it's possible for you to also hide your colors, your yarn, as you crochet, well, it's good. The main thing is for you not to go beyond where the yellow stitch marker is. Okay, so I'm continuing with the black. So you can see that I did 3 rows, and each of the other color, which is the red, is yeah, so you can see that we have one which is shorter, a bit shorter and tall. Okay, so depending, you don't really need to move from being the taller to the middle or something. Just crochet. So anywhere you feel like stopping the red color, you just stop, then you continue with the black. Okay, this work is very simple. You just have to get the basics where you are dividing your work, to know where you are ending and where you are not ending. And the color choice depends on you. Okay, so I chose black to be the main color, and I chose shades of red to also be the other colors. Okay, you can also use white to make the main color. All you have to do is make sure that you get a main color which is just one color for it. Okay, then the other colors will also come to the other end. So on row 5, this is what I have. Okay, so you can see that I just, yeah, so you see. Okay, so after several rows, you just change to any of these colors, shades. You can also use different colors, so it all depends on you. So when you are done, you see that when you fold it like this, you get your design on one side, and you get the main color to another side, and the back panel will be full of the main or the black color. Okay, so okay, so let's move on with this. So with this part, you don't really need any, yeah, as I said earlier, you don't really need any you don't really need any pattern for it. So you just be changing the colors just like I did. So this, after several rows, I changed my color, and this is what I'm getting. Okay, so it depends on you where you end or where you started. So this is the back part of my work. You can see that all the works are over there. So when you fold it like this, you just make single crochet at the edges to put the 2 panels together, or you can use a zipper to join them, or you can even use some stylish buttons for it. So this is the back of my work. Then when you are done, your waist is smaller than your hip, okay, right? So you just make single crochet, skipping some of the stitch holes at the top, so that the top will be able to fit you well. Or you can use a string of chain, then you put it inside these stitch holes, and you can use it to tie to make it fit your waist. Okay, so this is it. You continue with, yeah, so you continue making it taller depending on how tall you want your length. Okay, changing your colors as you want it, depending on any color that you prefer. You keep on changing it till you get your desirable height for your work. Then you work with your top parts in order to fit your waist, just like this one. Yeah, so you can see that change a lot of colors, and this is the back of it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this tutorial of the scraper skits. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video tutorial. Bye.